How do industrial ceramics process threads? Everyone knows that the hardness of industrial ceramic materials is very high, so do you know any methods for processing threads on ceramics? First of all, there must be a tool that is harder than ceramics, a T-shaped diamond tool. This grinding rod uses a diamond coating, and the ceramics are ground through the diamond grid on the layer. It can not only process internal threads, but also external threads. The precision of the processed threads is very high. Although the processing efficiency of this method is not high, it is relatively stable. The spiral processing can be done in one go, that is, the thread can be milled out at one time with a T-shaped grinding rod, and the loss of the grinding rod is not large, and the cost is controllable. In addition, if we want to make an M8 internal thread, we can first use a flat-bottomed grinding rod to grind a 6/7 hole, and then perform M8 tapping.